Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day 5 and in this we will discuss about how to use the Microsoft Copilot in the Excel sheet. Okay, so topic is the Excel automation plus report creation. We will use the automation means automatically table will get created. We no need to do it manually. Okay. And here audience is beginners to intermediate can follow this video, and goal is to learn how to automate the Excel task and generate reports using AI. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's discuss what is the Microsoft Copilot. So AI powered assistant integrated in Microsoft tools. Okay, this is integrated in Microsoft tools and it helps automate the task, generate content, and analyze the data. Okay. And it works in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So, in this all, you can use the AI assistant that is the Copilot. Okay. So, I hope it's clear. Now, why use Copilot in Excel? So, there is some advantages like you can save time on repetitive tasks. Okay, you can automate the data analysis. Okay, and generate the reports instantly. Okay, it will give you the result very quick and easy for the beginners. So in this way this Copilot will help in Excel. Basic Excel automation. Basic is like you can automate the data entry. Suppose you have to enter the data and you are manually entering all the data, right? So in that case you can use the AI Copilot. Okay, it will help you to automate that data entry. Okay, next one, use formula with AI help. Okay, directly you can just type on the Copilot. Okay, right, like please generate one formula to sum all the this uh, data and give the one final result. So Copilot will directly generate one formula for this and you can just follow that, add that formula and then generate the output. So in this way it can help you. Next one is to create the tables automatically. As you can all aware, like when you make a one table in the Excel sheet, it takes a time, right? But with the help of the Copilot you can generate the tables automatically. In that scenario you can save your time. Okay, clean and format data, it will give the clean and the format data. So this is the basic Excel automation. Copilot demo, like data cleaning example, remove the duplicates. So this in this case the Copilot will help you. Fix formatting. Okay, format if you want to fix, then you can use the Copilot. If you want to standardize the data, then also you can use the Copilot. Prompt, like what you have to write means how you can write so that you will get the clear data. So you have to use the clean this data set and remove the duplicates. This prompt you can use and the Copilot will help you and will generate the result like this. It will remove the duplicates, it will fix the format and it will standardize the data. So in this way you can use the data cleaning method in the Copilot. Okay, I will show one demo also in the end that will help you to understand it more easily. Okay. Next, demo like data analysis. Suppose you want to analyze the data. Okay. So what you have to do, generate insights from data. If you want data is mainly related to what, then you can generate the what is the insights. Okay. Find trends and pattern. What is the pattern follows in that data in that for table. You can just analyze that. Okay, by using the Copilot. So what you have to write, analyze this data and give key insights. Okay, whatever the table, you can just write prompt like this, please analyze the data and what is the key insights, please generate this. In this case also Copilot will help you. Okay, next, demo like creating the reports automatically. So in that case you can generate the summaries, create the charts, build dashboard. Okay, so in this case also you can take help of the Copilot. Like prompt you can use, create a sales report with charts. So Copilot will help you. It will generate one sales report and it will give that report with the charts so that you can easily understand. Okay. So in this case also you can use the Copilot. Real life example, sales data report, if you want to generate, then you can use the Copilot. Monthly performance analysis, if you want to analyze the what is the monthly performance or weekly performance in this Excel sheet, in this data, then Copilot will help in that case. Okay. Top product and reasons, this also you can generate. You can, for this also you can use. Okay. Automatic chart creation, in that also Copilot will help you. So this is all the real life example. Step by step I will show you, but here you can follow this all. First what you have to do, open the Excel. Let me show you. Here see, there is one Excel sheet opened. Okay. Here you can see the Copilot, right? So step, what is the step? Like open the Excel, I have to open it. Okay. And then load the data. Here data is already loaded. Okay. And then click Copilot. I've open it. Copilot, enter the prompt, review output, and then export the report. So what I'm writing here, suppose this is the data, and I'm just want, this is not the correct one. Okay. So suppose I'm just here writing one demo. I just see this is the data. Okay. I'm just want to convert this in format first. So for this what I will do, I will simply say convert this in table format. See here how quick Copilot generated this data into the table format. So now what you have to do, simply you copy this and paste here. In this way. Okay. I'm just deleting this one. You have pasted it. See how simply your all the data is formatted. Now you can see, right? Your data is formatted. You haven't take more time. You haven't enter the data manually, like first in the date column this data, and in the product this laptop and mobile you have to write manually, right? And then in the on the sales column also you have to write, and then region. But with the help of Copilot, simply you have just write the prompt like convert this in table format, and Copilot generated it in very quick. And simply you have copy from here and then pasted here, and see your data is your format, and your table is completely, it's completed, right? So in this way the Copilot will help you, and it, in this way you can save your time. Okay, so I hope it's clear now how you can use the Copilot while you are working in either Microsoft Excel or Word. Okay, so in that case you can use the Copilot. So I hope now it's clear. Review output and export result, that I have all I showed you. Now best form to use, best form to use, like simply you have to write summarize this data. Okay, in this way you have to use create a report, like I have just written convert this in table format. So in this way you have to write. Okay, so trends, generate charts, highlight key insights. So this is the best prompt to use, so that you will get the clear output. There is no any confusion in the data, in the outputs, and you will get the clear output if you will use the best prompt. So I hope now it's clear. Advantage, as already I've discussed, it will help you to save times, reduces the manual effort, and it will improve the accuracy, and it's a beginner friendly. Okay, so in this way, this all are the advantages of using the Copilot. Limitations, okay, it requires the internet. Without internet you can't do anything. Copilot will not work. Okay, may need prompt refinement. Yeah, if your prompt will be bad, then you will not get the clear and the correct output. It will give the wrong answers also. So you have to keep it in mind, like you have to use the good prompt. Okay, not 100% accurate result. Yeah, so this also you have to keep it in mind. Anyhow, human can only analyze and finalize like your answer is correct or not. Chat gpt can't give you the correct answer, or you can't be fully dependent on the chat gpt answer. So you have to analyze from your end whether this output is correct or not. So not 100% accurate result you will get always. So please keep this in mind. Okay, practical task what I would like to suggest you, please follow this. Please try to practice from yourself. Use the sample data sets and clean data using Copilot. Generate the report and create the charts and present the findings. In this way you can use and you can practice it. It will help you a lot in your daily life. Okay, so this is the task from my side. Conclusion, like Copilot makes Excel smart. Okay, and anyone can create reports easily. It's a very easy. If you know how to use the correct prompt, then anyone can use it, and practice is key to mastery. So this also you have to keep it in mind. Without practicing you can't be master in this. Okay, so if you will do the practice, then you will able to analyze where I'm doing wrong, what prompt I should use, what prompts is bad from. If I'm using the bad prompt, then what type of answer is coming. If I'm using the good prompt, then what type of answer is generating. So in this way you can analyze, and this only happen, this only you will be able to confident if you will do practice daily. So please try to practice it, and you will become confident, and you will be able to use the Copilot in your daily life. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like and subscribe my channel for more learning. And in the next video we will discuss about the advanced AI tools demo. Okay, so till then keep learning, keep practicing, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.